Hello everyone, good afternoon. It is quite late already, guys. I think it is 9 in the afternoon and we have just hang also clothes, guys. As you all know that it's summer, it's so hot and we have to take advantage of the heat of the sun. Yes, anyway guys, I want to harvest my onions. Some of them I harvested them already a week ago and we have been using them and it is really good and I am very happy, guys. And now I want to harvest the rest, guys, while we are here in the garden because my husband just arranged one of the corral or for the sheep and the goats house, guys. Yes, and also I have COVID. I still have COVID. I'm still positive, so maybe you will notice that my voice is different. Yeah, I started the COVID symptoms last Tuesday morning, no, Tuesday afternoon, guys, around 1:30 in the afternoon or midday here. And that day, Tuesday evening or in that afternoon, I really had very bad headache, guys. Headache, and also, you know, the veins of my head just like it's triggering, guys. It's triggering, and just like any time, any minute, any of the nerves of my brain will puff, you know. So really scary, guys. Not scary but painful. And oh my god, I couldn't sleep and I took medicine, guys, which is the paracetamol, and then I could sleep, but then I sweat a lot, sweat, and also and also the fever very high, 39.5, 39, 38.5, something like that, guys, for 2 days. And headache and the brain of my and the nerves of my head, guys. So, you know, and what else? And yeah, anyways, guys, today is Saturday afternoon. We're supposed to go to the beach today, but because I still have COVID, so we didn't go. And so my husband decided to arrange the corral, guys, or the shed for our sheep, and they are all here, sheep and goats. Yes, because they are all sharing the shed, guys, in our chicken coop. And our chickens, they stop, some of them some days they stop lay eggs because we thought that, I think, they are stressed. So finally my husband could arrange the other shed, guys, for our animals. And yeah, and now I want to harvest our or the rest of our onions, guys. Yes, okay, so let's do it. So guys, look look what happened. These are my broccolis, guys, and cauliflowers, but because our goats, they ate them, so they became like that. And there as well, there, and also our cabbages, guys. So yeah, no luck this time. Hey, you are eating my my peppers. Look, they ate my peppers as well, guys, but luckily they started to grow again. But then this little goat is eating again. Yes, can you see, guys? So I am very happy because they could they are really growing again, and I'm so thankful. And look, this pepper is red. I'm still waiting to be red. That's why, guys. And look at this beautiful zinnia. I have so many zinnias here, guys, in my garden. And no, Blau. Can you see my husband? Sino? Sembla. Hey, libidjila ka rin yung. And look, guys, this one is starting to bloom. This one, look, it is so gorgeous, so beautiful. Can you see? That's red. And I also have in there, guys, yeah, and I put zinnias everywhere around here, and so beautiful, really beautiful. And my eggplants, they are really giving a lot of eggplants really nicely, huh, Daddy? Yes. It's time to sleep, huh? And finally, guys, I could put some trellis. I could put trellis for my tomatoes. What happened to this? It's dry, so let's take it out. Yeah. Yes, and I harvested them already, guys, most of them. And yeah, I am so happy because we are eating a lot of tomatoes this time. Fresh tomatoes, guys, from our garden. And we want more, but they are not ripe yet. And I want to have salad tomato or tomato salad for dinner tonight, but because I don't have enough tomatoes, ripe tomatoes, so I'm not going to have for that. I'm not going to have that tomato salad tonight. But last night, yes, my husband and I, we had. And look at this, guys. They need trellis also. Can you see? Can you see these tomatoes? These tomatoes, guys, I grew all of these, guys, from seeds. I started from seeds. Hailey ka rin yun, Papa. Move, because Daddy is trying to put the... See? Alright, guys, so we kept the goats and sheep already. So let's take it. Let's harvest these ones. And I think I'm going to the big ones, guys, I took already. So I have to leave it here for maybe some days, but not bad. Some of them, look, so beautiful. Vale, cariño. Because I put them together, guys, most of them, but some of them, they are really nice, huh? I harvested the biggest ones already. Look, this one. This one is really big. Can you see that? But the thing is the goat again, guys, but it's okay. Can you see? I planted them together, and yeah, it's still big. They are quite big. This one is with worm. Look. Alright, guys, I think I have to leave this one here for some days to dry under the sun. Yes. So I harvested already, guys, some of them. They are upstairs already, and these are the ones that that are here in this small patch, guys, with our peppers and eggplants. Because we love, guys, cherry tomatoes a lot, so I planted a lot of cherry tomatoes too. And as I've said a while ago, that this patch, guys, of tomato bed, I started all of these, guys, from seeds. I sowed this one, guys, from seeds, and look at them. They are giving a lot of tomatoes, and I didn't put anything, guys. I didn't put any fertilizers or something. They are just growing. They are just yeah, I just put water. Look at that zucchini. That is really big. Yes, another one in there, and two more here, guys. Look, what a pity, huh? Two more in here. Can you see that? So big. And this one, look at this. It's big as well, right? I have a lot, guys. Now let's start to harvest this side, guys, of our onions. This is the bed of our strawberries, but our strawberries are gone because our goats love strawberries. What a pity, guys, huh? Because I put 4 in here together, but that's okay, don't worry. Not only 4 or 5. Can you see that? Si cariño. Si amor mayo. Si amor meu. Yes, cariño. Ay. OMG, I think it's sweet because, you know, ants are eating them, started to eat them already. Yes, that is so big, huh, Hailey? Wow, very good. That's so big. Hello guys, these are our onions harvest. As you can tell, they are all mixed together. So these onions, guys, are from this raised bed. Look, so beautiful, guys, the flowers. And yeah, in this raised bed, guys, I planted only on the sides, guys, on the sides, because as you all know that we have our strawberries here and also celeries and some of our peppers and flour. And I think next time I'm going to plant onions in just one raised bed, guys, because I am really happy with the result of this. Because last year I tried to plant but it didn't work, guys, and this year, wow, look at that, so beautiful. And this is the biggest one, guys, that I have. Can you see? They are so gorgeous, so gorgeous, guys. And I'm letting them to dry just for some days, and then I will keep them, because this one is so fresh still. I mean, this one is not that so dry. Can you see? This is the color, guys, of this onion. It's purple, yes, or red, or how they call that. Yes, and yeah, I am very happy. There are different sizes, guys, from small to large. Yes. very happy, everyone, with this harvest. Yeah, yay, really happy. All right, so these onions are from this raised bed, and we are going to the other side. This one, guys, these onions are from this small patch only, guys, and some of them I harvested already, as I've told you. Yes, and yeah, I am amazed how these onions, guys, came so good, so nicely. Yeah, I am very happy, really. We will have onions for these coming months.